So after creating this, our box is ready, and I really like how it turned out in the cover. And when I put it back, this is a nice box which you can do if you want. You can cover this also. I just put it like that, and then I'm planning to use it like this. Whatever printout I have, or maybe the folders I have, I can put directly them into inside it, or I can put my papers which I created and which is kind of leftover, and sometimes I just want to preserve them in that. And few days before, I created one course on the watercolors. So these are the folders where I created those and how we are planning to use them. So I decided to put all of them inside here because I put them in the basket, and I didn't put any kind of partition in it, but you can put a 4 partition if your box is big, and then you can use all that to segregate your, like, these are the flowers, these are the leaf. Mostly I don't do that, I just put them like this, and when I coordinate, like sort them, I put them like color coordinated, like blue, orange or yellows, whatever shades are there. And for the printouts, mostly I put them like this in the one, like these printouts I put in the one. I just cut it out, these paper dolls, to use in the mixed media projects, and I can put this also inside it. So that, I hope you got an idea to create these kind of boxes, or altered your boxes, or redo your things. I'm pretty happy how it turned out. So if you want to watch more project like this, you can see it. I make one altered book also for the art general. You can watch that video also. I will put that link at the end of the video. So until the next crafty video, have a crafty life. Bye bye.